Yes, regarding 12% reservation to Muslim minority. Yes, as per the Sanchar Commission report, nationally and in context of Telangana, the constituted Sudesh Commission has come up with a finding that 81% of the Muslims in Telangana are in backward section. Historically speaking, after the merger of the Nizam state in Telangana, which Telangana constitutes 80% of the Nizam state. Sir, my representation is after police action. No government has taken care of the Muslim minority sectors in Telangana state, in United Andhra. After that, laws were amended to the disadvantage of the Muslim minority. Muslims constituted 50% of the employment in Nizam state, now they are 3%. Muslims were a landed community holding land to the extent of around about 60% in Nizam state, now they don't hold more than 1% of the land. Every enactment, whether it was a sealing enactment, Inam abolition enactment, any enactment, it was to the disadvantage of the Muslim minority. Now this is a fact. That's under that scenario, the affected party is the Muslim community in Telangana state. Once we were a landed community, now we are a backward community.
एक पूछता हूँ कि आपको उसका जवाब रहे तो दीजिए 1986-97లో ఉస్మానియా యూనివర్సిటీలో ఒక టీచర్ ఒక సెమినార్ పేపర్ సబ్మిట్ చేసిండు ఆయన చెప్తారు నీలం సంజయ్ రెడ్డి ముఖ్యమంత్రిగా ఉన్నప్పుడు 5వ తరగతి తెలుగు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ పాస్ అయిన వాళ్ళకి మాత్రం ఉద్యోగం ఇస్తాం తెలుగు మీడియం పెడుతున్నాం కనుక అని చెప్పి పెట్టి ఈ తెలంగాణ అంటే కర్ణాటక మహారాష్ట్ర పోయిన తర్వాత మిగిలిన తెలంగాణ 9 జిల్లాల్లో 1,00,000 మంది ఉద్యోగాలు ఉంటే 40,000 మంది 37,000 నుంచి 40,000 మంది తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉర్దూ వాళ్ళు అందరినీ తొలగించేసి ఆంధ్ర నుంచి పెట్టిందని చెప్పి సెమినార్ పేపర్ ఉస్మానియా యూనివర్సిటీ నేషనల్ సెమినార్లో ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. అయితే ఆ టీచర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలరా లేదా ఆ జీవోను నీలం సంజయ్ రెడ్డి ఇచ్చిన జీవో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి మాకు ఇస్తే చాలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. इसके बारे में वो जीवो नीलम संजय रेड्डी जो मुख्यमंत्री था ना, जब वो 5th क्लास का तेलुगु टेक्स्ट पास हुए थे नौकरी में रहते नहीं तो निकाल देते डिसमिस किए. उसके बारे में जो जीवो है जीवो सर्च करके हम दिए तो आपको बहुत
सर 1 minute I want to when the system was reformed 15(4) and 16(4) very clearly states that people who are socially oppressed and suppressed. 15(4) in context of employment and 16(4) in context of education. For the people who are socially oppressed, but the interpretation of the law was taken into the context of the Hindu caste system as criteria. People belonging to other faiths who were socially oppressed, suppressed, economically suppressed, they were kept out of the purview of the reservations. That was one of the historic injustices done in this country, and we want the corrective measures and affirmative action.
Thank you. ఈ విషయం మీద మీరు డీటెయిల్ గా దాని గురించి రాసి
So myself from spokesman of Liberty. I'll take only 3 minutes. Number 1, the BC Commission is sitting only from 14 to 17. Many Muslim organizations want to submit. I request the Honorable Chairman, I request the Honorable Seema sitting here also, and I request the Commission to visit the majority Muslim areas like Nizamabad, Warangal, Karimnagar. The Commission is sitting here and taking the petition. Many people want to meet you. There is a huge, so immediately the Commission should extend the times. No doubt you are taking the petition online, but submitting the petition personally आपको मिलके देने की बात अलग रहती है. Number 1 thing. Number 2, sorry to say that it has been coming in the media that the commission members appointed are having some RSS background like this. It has been coming in the papers. There is no clarification on behalf of the commission or the members. I need a clarification to come. It is good or not, but the media has presented that the commission members appointed have been of RSS background like that. Is it?
1 minute. मैं खुद
नहीं आपको मैं पहले से बता
मैं क्लैरिफिकेशन देता हूँ 1990 నుంచి मैं खुद एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पैदा हुआ वो SC BC ST माइनॉरिटीज का रचयितల కళాకారుల మేధావుల వేదిక इसका हेडक्वार्टर था कुंडलाक्ष बाबू के
जी।
प्रेमिसेस में मैं उसका फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट हूँ और कन्वीनर हूँ और उसको चलाया। सारे आंध्र प्रदेश और तेलंगाना में मैं परेड करते हुए SC BC ST माइनॉरिटीज के बारे में मैं 25 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ। ये किसके ओर से? SC BC ST माइनॉरिटी के ओर से उन लोगों का ప్రయోజనాల కోసం పనిచేస్తున్నాము। అందువల్ల मैं था 1964 से 74 तक RSS में काम किया था। फिर मैं रेवोल्यूशनरी एसोसिएशन में, वो पीपल्स पार्टी था, वो पीपल्स पार्टी में नक्सल का काम किया था नौकरी छोड़ के। और बाद में हम BC SC ST माइनॉरिटी के ओर से और रचयिता कलाकार काम कर रहा हूँ। ये क्लारिफिकेशन देखिए, ये क्लारिफिकेशन आप मुसलमान लोगों को दीजिए आपकी ओर से।
ठीक है। नंबर टू सर, there has been, in spite of small officers, many small officers in the police department, Muslim officers are not getting good postings. Due to that, like in Hyderabad, there are more than 80 police inspectors, only 1 or 2 police inspectors as a Muslim have been appointed. Number 2, ACPs are there 38, only 1 ACP is a Muslim. Hyderabad task force, there are 5 zones. Not a single Muslim inspector has been appointed as a task force inspector in. So because of that, because of the Muslims are not getting good positions, किसी को रेडी कोई मिलता, पंजा गुट्टा इंस्पेक्टर और पंजा राहिल इंस्पेक्टर मुस्लिम को नहीं देते। उसकी वजह से रिसेंटली आफ्टर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ तेलंगाना, ये हम हमारे दिल की दुख आपके सामने पेश कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि आप ही है जो हुकूमत तक हमारी बात रख सकते। आलेर एनकाउंटर में जो 5 मुस्लिम्स को मार दिया गया साहब, ये इसकी वजह ये है कि मुसलमानों को रिजर्वेशन नहीं होना, मुस्लिम्स को गुड पोस्टिंग नहीं होने की वजह से, ये RSS बैकग्राउंड के जो ऑफिसर्स आने की वजह से ये मुस्लिम्स का एनकाउंटर थोड़ा बेजा गिरफ्तारियां आ रही। तो हमारा आपसे मुतालिबा है कि आप अगर रिजर्वेशन देंगे 12%, तो हमारे को इंसाफ मिलेगा, ज्यादातर मुस्लिम ऑफिसर्स गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर्स बन के आएंगे। तीसरा सबमिशन, लास्ट ओनली 1 मिनट आई टेक, कि ये जो रिसेंटली तेलंगाना स्टेट पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन की तरफ से जो नए नौकरियां दे रहे, न्यू रिक्रूटमेंट्स आर बीइंग गिवन बाय द तेलंगाना स्टेट पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, नियरली 1 lakh jobs are being created. I request through you कि unless and until the commission submits the report, the government should stop that recruitment immediately, or the government should give a audience and give 12% reservation in the jobs which are being created. Thank you.
Thank you.